Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming account access and where your image lives. If using USB, format as FAT32 or XFAT. If using OneDrive, upload the picture from a phone or PC. Once done, power on the console and press the Xbox button to open the guide. Navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, then General, and finally Personalization. This gets you directly to the background controls, so you don't waste time hunting through menus. Now you pick and position the image. Choose Background, then My Background, and pick Upload from USB or OneDrive depending on where the file is stored. Use the crop and zoom tools to match the Xbox's 16:9 aspect ratio so icons aren't obscured. Make sure contrast is sufficient so text remains legible. Darker edges help. After adjusting, confirm the image and return to the home screen to preview how it looks behind menus and tiles. Finish by verifying the change stuck and adjusting accessibility options if needed. If the Xbox rejects the image, make sure it's a supported format like JPG or PNG and under the size limit, resave as a new file if necessary. If problems persist, restart the console, reinsert the USB, or re-upload the image to OneDrive and try again. As a last step, reset personalization settings to defaults and reapply the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.